guys, I hope you're having a great day. So I'm not wearing makeup, and that only means we're gonna be reviewing and testing out another makeup item. I don't know if you noticed, but Revolution Pro, owned by Makeup Revolution, is the same brand, released a new line now. I don't know if it's a special name for it, but it's apparently super good for your skin and all. So I'm reviewing the items. I decided to do like one by one video, just, you know, so I can review in depth rather than talk about all the products in general. Today I did my brows actually using this Revolution Pro Define and Fill Brow Pencil. I used in a dark brown. I did an in-depth review on this one as well, so it's already up on my channel. But in this video, I thought I'm just gonna check it out, the Artist Liner. So they say an ultra fine precision eyeliner pen. I've been obsessed literally with Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick eyeliner because it's like a pen and it's so super easy to use. It doesn't dry out, it doesn't crack or like flake, you know, during the day. So amazing liner. I hope that this Revolution Pro will be just as good as that one. Oh, you know what I just noticed? The ingredients for this are actually really good. So first ingredient comes up as a water. Second is aloe vera juice. So it's actually good for you, because I've been reading about this line from Revolution Pro and it says that it's good for your skin and all. I mean, the powder was amazing. The hyaluronic acid, super hydrating. Honestly, you guys, check out the review. And this so far looks really promising. So I think without any further ado, we should just check it out. It looks like a pen. I do love the packaging. I do love this gold packaging, but I said exactly about these other items that I reviewed. So I think I'm not gonna talk about that, but I love it as a pen. So that means it's gonna be super easy to use. First thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prep my eyelids. So for that, I'm gonna use the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the C1. So just a dot on the eyelid. I always start my makeup from the eyes, so that's why I don't have any foundation yet or anything else on. I'm just gonna quickly set this up with a setting powder, so I think I'm just gonna go with Revolution Pro Hydra Matte one. So because my eyes are so hooded, I can't just go straight away with the eyeliner. I need a bit of a shadow to get some, you know, depth to my eye. So I think I'm just gonna go with the Tarte's Goddess Glam Eye and Cheek palette for that and use this lighter brown color. Concentrating on the crease where my eye would crease and kinda dragging the color a bit up. And then I'm gonna add the shadow closer to the actual lash line. I'm gonna take this darker brown color and gonna go closer to my lash line and just kind of blend the color out. It's just that I want more depth to my, you know, eyes, so it doesn't look as super hooded. Alright you guys, I think it's time for this Artist Eyeliner. So I'm gonna start from the outer corner because I have super hooded eyes. So for me, the most important part is to, you know, get the eyeliner right under the hood. First, I always draw the line with my eyes open looking at the mirror, like the way I would be normally. And then I do this, like close my eye to kind of join that line and fill it in, and then do the line close to the lash line. So this is exactly what I'm gonna do. I love this super thin precision pen. This is the thinnest eyeliner pen I ever seen, I think. This is super thin, super precise. Wow. I hope it's gonna be super easy to use as well. So as I said, I'm looking straight because you see my hood goes till here, like the crease of my hood. If I draw the eyeliner like this, if I want to lift my eye up, I need to draw it under the hood. You see, I did like two lines on the top and on the bottom. So now I'm gonna try to join these with my eyes like semi-closed, lifting my eyebrows so I see the under hood. Super easy to use so far. So I'm gonna leave this part the way it is before doing anything else and draw the line very close to my lash line first. I did all this without closing the pen yet, like I just closed it now, so the ink, actually the ink, the product I don't know how to name it, haven't dried out, so it's full of, you know, color. And now what I'm gonna do, because you see this doesn't match, look kind of funny, so with my eyes open I'm gonna join these parts together and then like semi-close it to fill in. Wow, you guys, that was easy, super good for the eyes so far. So I'm gonna do exactly the same on this eye and I'll come back to this. So I'm just gonna go and apply the Revolution mascara. This one is the waterproof Revolution. Finish off my makeup look and then come back to you to see how our eyeliner is on, and then wear all day and come back to you again. And so, as I mentioned, I finished off my makeup look, and I forgot to mention the part I actually did a little like inner eye corner liner, and this actually works as a perfection for the inner eye corner. If you want to do more like a art with it, this pen is absolutely amazing for this. So this Revolution Pro Artist Liner, so far I really do like it. I like that it's super precise pen, so you can actually do some kind of, you know, art with that, some graphic liner or, you know, funky liner, whatever you wish for. So it's good for that. It's very easy to use. It's good for like hooded eyes. Look at that. It wasn't hard to, you know, do the hooded eyes eyeliner with this, so thumbs up for that so far. The thing that I not, you know, too keen on, it says it's black. What I see in the real life, I don't know how it translates through the camera lens, but what I see in the real life in the mirror, it looks more as a dark gray rather than black. I don't know, you might see through the camera lens as a black. I see as a dark gray in the reality. Let's just do like a little swatch on the hand actually and compare with it on top of liner. So on the hand, it actually looks black. Where I have this Revolution, Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick one. You see how much darker is this one? So I don't think this is like, you know, super black, because I just hope you are able to see through a camera lens what I mean. In reality, trust me, this one, the Revolution Pro Artist Liner, is more as a dark gray, like charcoal, rather than black. So that's the only minus so far that I found. But as I mentioned, I'm gonna wear it all day and then I'm gonna come back to it because I got quite a few appointments and I need to leave the house in like 5 minutes or so. So yeah, so this is how it looks just now. No creases, no flaking or bleeding or anything like this. Actually, it wasn't bleeding at all. You know, with some pens, it tends a bit to bleed as well, the tip itself, because it's kind of like a spongy tip, but there's nothing like this at all so far. I'm gonna come back to you in a few hours and we'll see if we got any flaking or, you know, it bleeded or if the color faded or anything like this. I'll see you in a few hours. Hey guys, I'm back. It's already late in the evening. If I look anything but sleepy, it's because I'm tired. It's been a long day after I've seen you. So this artist liner, right, so I was wearing this eyeliner now all day long, and today was sunny and all my eyelids are super oily, so it hadn't like flaked or crumbled or, you know, got more like faded color or anything. It stayed perfectly on the eyes. I'm not sure if it's like waterproof or anything, because I don't think they stay that. But it's definitely sweat proof and all, because my eyeliner looks perfect, like at least to me what I see in the mirror, you know. So it's humongous thumbs up from me for this artist liner by Revolution Pro. It definitely works. As you've seen, it was super easy to use, you guys. This is not even a joke how easy it was to use, especially on the hooded eyes and on the hoods, because it gives you such a big precision because it's just so super tiny, you know. So yeah, thumbs up from me. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick review and tutorial and wear test video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Ciao for now, guys.